Tag 271 is a standardbred gelding. He has a lip tattoo that is very difficult to read, and he has a brand on his right side that says 023 on his neck. There's the brand. $271. $271. That's a tricolor paint mirror.